7 hours ago, Wall Street Pepe crossing over $35 million raised, and it continues to move higher. Guys, Wall Street Pepe is raising about $1 million per day, and as you can see, $35.758 million so far. Now, it's doing roughly about $1 million, sometimes 1.2, sometimes 800,000. Bitcoin is very volatile right now, trying to bounce back up today, and I believe that we will be on the verge of another surge in the coming days. Now, Christmas is typically very, let's say it's not very volatile, right? There's very low volume taking place on Christmas Day, so I don't expect much to be happening tomorrow. But after we gear up and into the new year, Wall Street Pepe could soar even higher. We're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Wall Street Pepe on the screen right now. Now, if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, you can go out there and Google it, and I'm telling you, you may come up with some websites. There's a lot of sponsored links that are bad links. Please don't click on them. But if you want to see Wall Street Pepe, click that link in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. It comes directly from the marketing company working with Wall Street Pepe. Now, if you need a full tutorial on how to connect your wallet, buying, confirming, signing, all of these transactions and stuff, check out the video, How to Buy Wall Street Pepe, and it's going to go through the full walkthrough tutorial. It's got my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, shows you all the stuff you need to click on, and all of that. So it's very good if this is your very first pre-sale, or of course if you haven't done one in a while and you want a little bit of a refresher. But check this out, man. These guys are doing so much. 26,900 followers out on their X account. 207,000 views here. I don't know where they come up with this stuff. 5.2 thousand views in a couple hours. 27,000 views since yesterday. Guys, Wall Street Pepe is going to explode. Now, we're going to go over a little bit more about what they're doing and what they're building in a second here, but let's just see what this article has to say. It says, Wall Street Pepe's ICO is rapidly achieving its funding goals as investors secure their spots in the project's upcoming Crypto Signals channel. The pre-sale started on December 3rd and averaging over $1.6 million daily. It has already raised $35.4 million. The pre-sale's unrelenting momentum is even more impressive considering the current state of meme coin market, which is struggling to go beyond. And it's true. You look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's doing great. Ethereum's trying to get back up there to $4,000, but I own a lot of meme coins, so I feel this. Meme coins are sleeping right now. It's almost like all of the price action is institutionally driven. And it's crazy because, well, Bitcoin's at an all-time high, but retail interest is just starting to kick back up. Guys, when retail finally does make that decision to buy, we're going to watch Bitcoin explode. Ethereum, Solana, these tokens are going to double, triple in value. And meme coins are going to rip to the highest levels that they have ever been because that's the focus of this bull market. And Wall Street Pepe, imagine how much attention it's getting right now. I couldn't agree more with this article. Imagine what would happen if the meme coin market was actually on fire instead of sleeping and hibernating right now. Although leading meme coins like Pepe, which WEPE draws inspiration from, or Wall Street Pepe, are down by 19 to 22% over the last week, Wall Street Pepe shows no signs of slowing down, and keeping this momentum post-launch could position it for significant gains. Dude, if it sees the same momentum, $1.6 million a day post-launch, every single day, the first day, it's going to double. Second day, probably 90%, 80% increases. Third day, similar. And I imagine after that, when it's showing up on DEX Tools trending tokens, CoinMarketCap trending tokens, you might even see greater increases, greater than what Pepe Unchained did, and it saw a 7x increase in the first 48 hours. It says, WEPE's developers emphasize early adoption, which is often all a meme coin needs to succeed in a volatile market. The pre-sales dynamic pricing model sees its per token price rise as time passes and funding goals are achieved. It has already gone up more than 82% since the pre-sale started. Now, I'm very excited because I got in first stage on a decent chunk of Wall Street Pepe, and then I saw the demand. You know, I never know what these tokens are going to turn into. I do go out. I try to buy every single thing that I can. I do so responsibly, but I couldn't help myself. I went out and loaded up on Wall Street Pepe after it started to surge in volume. And guys, this is the biggest pre-sale that I have bought into so far, and I am extremely excited. I do believe that Wall Street Pepe can see the price predictions that analysts are expecting. 5, 10, 20x increases in 2025 into 2026. Now, that's also because I expect the bull market to peak during this same time frame. What I expect to happen is continued growth, a retail FOMO surge. That's like what we saw back in 2021. Retail investors pour in from everywhere. They drive prices to insanely high levels, and then they exit. They can't stand it. They're not traders. They're not investors. They're simply here to see what's going on, and then they leave. Now, I don't believe we're going to fall back down to the same levels that we have fallen to in the past. I believe we're going to continue growing as an industry, but that FOMO emotional rally takes us to levels that we cannot sustain. And when that happens, tokens like Wall Street Pepe can see those crazy 10, 20, 50, 100x gains that I am here to take advantage of. Let me know if you guys are here to take advantage of it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.